getting low. Dude, sweat drop down my balls. Hey, it's been a while. Oh my God. Yo, welcome back to Front Page Tech, FPT, FAPATA, the show that gives you all latest tech news from one geek that is me to another that is you. It feels good to finally be able to say that here on the main channel. Toilet Squad, how the fuck are ya? It's been a minute. It's been a little bit since the last episode. Hope you're good. Hope you're doing good. It's time to put all your toys away and behave because daddy is home. Let's do one of these things. The show, but let's still do one. All right, so first up for the day, story numero uno. It's about us, actually. Yay. Listen, I know there's a ton of you out there right now that are like, yo, what the fuck? Where you been? So, you know, if you're one of the people that missed it, buckle up. This, boys, is why you follow me on Twitter. If you follow me on Twitter, you won't miss updates and shit like this. Like, for example, when the YouTube channel goes goodbye. So let's quickly catch you up to speed, shall we? So we took a couple months off. If you missed that, if you couldn't tell. During that time, I was moving halfway across the US.
This is my new house. That's a cat. And a balloon. Oh.
Well, after I moved, literally the day that Front Page Tech was supposed to return, the channel got hacked. Not kidding. It was bad. Hacked all the way bad. Hackers bypassed two-factor authentication, renamed our channel to NASA News, and then started streaming a Bitcoin scam to about 50,000 people. That's a lot of people. The stream itself was up for a couple hours. The hackers made nearly $10,000, and then our channel got all the way taken out. Nuked. Deleted. Poof. Gone from the internet. It was like the hackers were holding our channel hostage, and instead of just taking the hackers out, YouTube pointed a rocket launcher at the whole thing, the hackers and the hostage, and just went, I don't know, man. Just kill them all. Shoot it. Make it all stop. Blew up the whole channel because that's how you solve it. Thank you, guys. Thanks. Thank you a lot. Anyway, after a couple weeks of us having to talk back and forth with YouTube, they eventually restored our channel from a backup and then gave us access. They gave us the keys to the kingdom back, and so we got it back. But while we waited for this channel, the main channel, to be fixed, we started uploading to a new temporary channel that we called FPT 404. I'll leave a link to that below. And there we started uploading brand new episodes with no rules, like no censoring, nothing like that, because, you know, no money. That channel and those episodes weren't monetized. Instead, that show was actually supported by, well, you, the viewers. We opened up a PayPal donation link and also started selling a limited run FPT 404 shirt for viewers that wanted to support us and also get something cool in return, which is sort of where we're still at. Like, yeah, we have this account back. We have access to this account, to this channel again, and that stuff is back to normal, but because of the hack and what the hackers did specifically to our AdSense account, we don't get money. We don't get paid. Our AdSense account is locked, and we won't see any of that for like 2 months. And that sucks honky tonky donkey dick. So those links that we've been using are still down in the description. If you want, you can go to the PayPal link and donate however much you want. It's not required, but it's a thing if you want to do it. Or buy that limited run FPT 404 t-shirt. A shirt that, if you have it, means that you supported us in FPT's darkest days. Weeks. Months. Darkest months. It's gonna be a minute. Again, if you follow me on Twitter, or you've been subscribed to the FPT 404 channel, or you read one of the many articles written about it, then you already knew all this. But I know, and I'm sure there are a lot of you that probably thought I just went out for bread and milk and was never coming back. But unfortunately for you, I'm that. I'm back. All right, Pixel 5. 5G Pixel, the 5G Pixel 5 release. I have dates for you. This is going great. Wait, real quick, if you missed it, because you don't follow me on Twitter, which again, you should do that. I tweeted the Pixel 4a launch date last month or months ago, August 3rd. That happened. Came out on August 3rd. So Gave you the Pixel 4a dates, so here's Pixel 5 now. So, Pixel 5 5G, apparently coming in black and green, at least that's what we see in the system, scheduled for September 30th. I will warn you though, as we learned with the Pixel 4a, Google moved their dates a few times. But right now, September 30th is what they got. For that date, September 30th, they have the Pixel 5 5G in black and green, and also the Pixel 4a 5G in black. And then in October, apparently, we're getting a Pixel 4a 5G in white. Now, since we weren't making a show during the whole Pixel 4a thing, but I got those dates correct, I think that means we have to do the Ascended thing. It's been a while since I've been able to do it, so I'm kidding. I'm not gonna do it to burn. And plus, I haven't earned it yet. We'll wait. Brian hates editing that, so I'll wait till I really earn it. Okay, for real. Next story. All righty tighty, iPhone stuff. Real quick, have you seen this yet? Have you seen this video? So I guess this is a concept video that was actually posted earlier this year, but is just now going viral, and people are losing it over this video because it's so cool. It's of a clamshell style foldable iPhone, and let's all be honest, that is nice looking. That is real hot. Like I'm not kidding. I will fold this phone up around my wiener and fuck it.
What is wrong with you?
It's a phone, not a people. I'm allowed. So because of all this, everyone's talking about a foldable iPhone. Well, I got good news. See this right here? This is real. Well, not this one. A foldable iPhone is happening. It is real, but it's not that one. And also not really foldable. So itty bitty exclusive here for you folks. Yes, the foldable iPhone is real. The current prototype that Apple is working on has like a fabric hinge, and it's actually two separate display panels. So the display itself doesn't curve and bend and fold, so we can't really call it a foldable. You know our rules on foldables, people. This ain't it. It has round stainless steel edges, a lot like the current iPhone 11 design, and then on the front there's no notch. So there's an outer display with a tiny forehead, no notch, and that's where Face ID is. And if you use the Google right, you'll find patents for Apple's like fabric hinge. It's supposed to be more durable and last longer and helps with the debris not get in there. And unlike other quote-unquote foldable devices that are really just two displays on a hinge, this doesn't look like they stuck two phones together. When you actually unfold it and have it flat, it looks like a continuous seamless display. It's kind of cool. What about a release date? When's it coming out? Yep. I got no fucking clue. This is one of those things that has been in the works for a while within Apple that I've had multiple sources tell me about, but I don't know when you're gonna see it. So it's like, I don't know. Fucking believe me if you want, and if you don't, that's fine too. All right, guys, that is the show. Hopefully you liked it, you learned something. Brian, I love you. I'm sorry I have to do. I've ascended! Brian, no, I'm too far off the screen. You put me too high. Now. All right, whatever. See you guys next week. Hopefully I'm back down by then. All right. Have a good one. Or don't. I don't care.